Hey there, word lovers. Welcome back to the channel, your home for mastering English one word at a time. In today's episode, we're diving into 10 powerful English words and expressions that'll instantly your vocabulary sound richer, smarter, and more professional. So grab your notepad because we're starting right now. One word of the day. Our first word is ubiquitous. It means something that seems to be everywhere at the same time. Example, smartphones have become ubiquitous in modern life, or fast food chains are ubiquitous across cities. In short, when something is everywhere, it's ubiquitous. 2. Compliment versus compliment. Next up, one of the most confusing pairs in English, compliment and compliment. A compliment with an I means praise. Example, she gave me a nice compliment about my turn. Compliment with an E means something that completes or goes well with something else. Example, that red tie complements your suit perfectly. So remembering R for kind words, E for perfect match. Rendezvous. Now, add a touch of French. Rendezvous means a meeting or planned gathering. Example, the two spies arranged a secret rendezvous at midnight, or rendezvous at the cafe around 3 p.m. It's pronounced rendezvous. 4. Quintessential. Next is quintessential, meaning the perfect example of something. Leonardo da Vinci is the quintessential Renaissance man. Or, that movie is the quintessential romantic comedy. When something perfectly represents a quality or idea, it's quintessential. 5. Disaster. Greek bad star. Here's a fun one with a Greek twist. The word disaster actually comes from the Greek words dis, bad, and aster, star, literally meaning mad star. In ancient times, people believed that a tragic event was caused by an unlucky star in the sky. So when something terrible happens, today it's still a disaster. Example, the flood was a complete disaster for the town. 6. Stop saying very bad. Let's level up your vocabulary. Instead of saying very bad, try awful, terrible, horrendous, dreadful, or appalling. Example, that food was awful. Sounds way stronger than very bad. So ditch the very and use powerful words instead. 7. 10 words to use in job interviews. Voiceover. Want to sound confident in your next job interview? Here are 10 smart words you can use. Adaptable. I'm adaptable in work. Well under pressure. Proactive. I take initiative to solve problems. Reliable. You can count on me to meet deadlines. Resourceful. Find creative solutions quickly. Team-oriented. I enjoy collaborating with others. Analytical. I use data to guide my decisions. Innovative. I love bringing new ideas to the table. Committed. I'm committed to long-term growth. Organized. I manage my time effectively. Passionate. I'm passionate about what I do. Drop in the comments if you're preparing for a job interview. 8. Bail versus leave. Next, bail versus leave. They both mean to go away, but there's a difference. Bail is informal. It means to leave suddenly or cancel plans. Example, sorry, I have to bail on dinner tonight. Leave is neutral. Leave the office at 5. So use bail when you're being casual, and leave in formal situations. 9. Bite the bullet. Ever heard someone say, bite the bullet? It means to face something difficult or unpleasant with courage. Example, I hate going to the dentist, but I'll bite the bullet. double quotes it comes from old wartime days when soldiers literally bit bullets to end your pain. Before anesthesia existed, historic versus historical. Voiceover. Finally, historic versus historical. Historic means something very important in history. Example, that was a historic moment for our country. Historical means something related to history. Example, he loves reading historical novels. Double quotes so. Historic equals important event. Historical equals anything about history. And there you have it, 10 words and expressions to make your English sound more natural, confident, and impressive. Which of these words was your favorite? Type it in the comments below. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe for more word magic every week, and share this with someone who loves learning English.